you scared to line your eyes? Are you scared that your hand is not steady? Don't worry. Today I'm gonna show you how to line your eyes. Not only how to line your eyes, but we will even make a most simple smoky look. So, for that, first you take your Khol.
I'm not ready yet, ready to forget now. I'm not ready yet, ready to forget. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet.
Then take a pencil brush.
I'm not ready yet, ready to forget now. I'm not ready yet, ready to forget. I'm not ready yet.
And then take any of your brown shadow. The brown shadow. So that it will give you the natural look.
Ready to forget. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet.
And then take your mascara.